What's up, lifelong learners? This is your boy, Mr. Hang. So I'm going to teach you how to create a virtual copy. First thing you need to do is download the practice file. Click on this link right here. Click that. And then you're going to download it from the left-hand side right here. Click download. And after you download this, you're going to go to your Lightroom and then import this. So I have Lightroom right here. I'm going to click on this, go to my download folder. See right there, my download folder. Click and drag and drop this on top of Lightroom. Oh, you got to be in the library module. Click on library module first. Then you can go to your Finder, and then you can click and drag and drop the file onto Lightroom Classic, and it's going to import from your download folder into Lightroom. So it's going to give you a check mark right here. Look at that, download folder. These are a bunch of photos from before. I'm going to check mark this one right here, which says Zach Watson file. I'm going to go ahead and import that file. And then after you import this file, you're going to make this thing called a virtual copy. You're going to click on that file. You're going to go to Photos, and then you're going to scroll down until you see virtual copy like that. And this is how you can tell the difference between a copy versus the original. You click on the original, you notice the name here does not say copy at the end. You click on the copy version, and then you will notice here that you have copy number 1. And I can make another copy as well. I can take, let's say I do some edits here on this. Quick basic editing. I'll just go do auto real quick, and then I'm going to bring down my blacks a little bit. Oh, actually, I'll bring up the blacks a little bit so it's not crushing the blacks. All right. And then let's say I want to do like another virtual copy from the copy. Right click and make, oh, sorry, not right click. Go to Photo, go to Create Virtual Copy. And then you will see here that I have copy number 2. So if I click on this, I will see it says right here, copy number 2. All right. And let's say I want to do some stuff to it, like I want to change the color temperature, blah, blah, blah. And then you can see the difference between the original to copy number 1 to copy number 2. And then you can see and feel like which one's better for you. And then that's where you would make your decision on what's your favorite. All right. Okay. So that's how you make a virtual copy. The reason is you want to see different things. You can make a bunch of virtual copies and then just click through each one. And then you will see, oh, I like this version better. And then you export that one to save. Okay. All right. All right. Rock, paper, peace. Continue on with the tutorial.